right here's the snow we got. The roads look like they might be a little bit slick, but I got some snow off the chair out here this morning to make my snow cream. But isn't that pretty? I wish it had been snowing in the daytime so I could have seen it. But it is so pretty. I got about 4 or 5 inches on the chair out here. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching. It is cold. It was close to 70 degrees here yesterday, but it's 20-something this morning. Y'all have a good day, and thank you so much for watching.